What's up YouTube? Welcome back to Outdoor Adventures. This is Jeet and thank you for being a subscriber to Outdoor Adventures. And if you're new to the channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel where I upload content about my hikes, about my trips, anything to do with outdoors, whether it's hiking, biking or even running. So again, welcome back. I'm today at Harriman State Park in New York State. This is one of my favorite places in almost all of New York. Today I'm going to hike the West Mountain Trail, which is just a short trail, about 4 to 5 miles, about 1500 feet of vertical gain. So I'm super excited and it's time to explore this part of Harriman State Park. So let's go and start exploring. What's really incredible about Harriman State Park is how close it is to New York City. It is literally like a hop skip away from New York, and then you are almost transported into a totally different world over here, where there's a maze of hiking trails in beautiful forest with all kinds of greenery, with so many lakes that you can see over here. At least 30 named lakes, if not more. If you live near New York City or New Jersey, definitely come here. Come to Harriman State Park. Get off that couch and do some exploring. Nothing like being out in the woods, trying to explore a few things, get some exercise, get some fresh air, build that stamina, get those endorphins flowing. Just creates a positive mood all around. There is absolute silence over here. The only sounds are of the birds chirping. Sometimes we forget what nature looks like and what nature sounds like. This is it. That's a nice camping spot. It's nice and secluded, surrounded by trees, just off the trail. And there is a nice little place to start a fire. This is nice. Hi.
Hello.
How are you?
How's it going?
Good, good. These mushrooms.
Oh yeah, these are chanterelles.
What are these?
Chanterelles?
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you eat them?
Yeah.
You have to cook or you can just eat them?
No, you cook them.
You have to cook them.
Yeah.
Okay.
They're going inside and
So they must be coming here quite often, right? They seem to be very excited and
Every
doing all the gardening
every week.
every week.
Every week.
That's
I
awesome.
call it every Saturday I bring them.
Nice. You said they are going to go and pick blueberries after this.
Yeah.
I definitely wasn't expecting to see the Hudson River and Manhattan. I'm pretty sure you can't see it in the camera, but I can definitely see it from the naked eye. It's hidden behind this kind of hazy cloud about 40 miles from here. Somewhere over there is Manhattan, and then of course this is the mighty Hudson River, which goes up another 200-300 miles up into the Adirondacks. This is a very beautiful view. This is the West Mountain, and this is the shelter. There's the shelter. West Mountain Shelter Trail Journal 2021. What a pleasure it is to be back in fair Harriman after so long away. Those bushes are wild, blueberries, they are ripe in July, watch out for bears. Enjoy the view and the whole family on 80, that's the Appalachian Trail. Cheers, Cheng, 5/23/2021. Scary thunderstorm last night and ended in a pond of water around my floating tent. Beautiful view and no bear for, thank goodness. Solo overnight, Hill Woman, 21st June 2021. What are these flowers? Look like tiny sunflowers. If you know what are these, please let me know in the comments. Oops, that's pretty useless. Jackpot. Thanks for watching, and until next time, it's bye.